The market of digital currencies has been a steady fascination with brokers, individual financial backers, and institutional financial backers for a long while, and, all the more significantly, so in the new pandemic. The credit should be given to the advertised assumptions from government-issued types of money that couldn't endure for the long haul. Running against the norm, digital forms of money have exhibited a quite obvious cost development, displaying huge center to long-haul gains. This large number of elements have been placed on a basic level by one response, the blockchain. With opportunity arrived cryptographic forms of money on the advanced guide with date-set achievements, and afterward showed the beginning of Qtum. All the more usually perused as Qtum, the local token Qtum of the Qtum protocol, is established on the standards of proof of stake, POS, that is prestigious to be a savvy contract open source blockchain stage with a Steam move convention. One can say that it brings the best case scenario. Bitcoin and Ethereum in one chain. Adding the advantages of DeFi applications, the Qtum stage additionally consolidates UTXO exchange models, integrating the execution of savvy contract execution and dApps. Qtum. The quantum calling. With a particular goal of causing brokers to have a real sense of reassurance and exchanges safer and executed with lightning-quick speed, Qtum drifted its own ICO in March 2017. With a charitable increase, it raised $15 million. Despite the fact that in the early phase of the send-off, Qtum was an ETH20 token, later it moved to local blockchain being onboarded to mainnet. The steerage at the groundwork of the Qtum protocol is Patrick Dye, who is a specialist in software engineering from Draper University and has made famous commitments to different noted projects like Alibaba, Factom, VeChain, Bits Group and MyLink prior to beginning Qtum in 2016. The other two prime supporters are the CTO and blockchain draftsman Neil Mahi and lead designer Jordan Earls. As a lead developer Stephen Xiaolong Zhu is a lead engineer of Qtum beginning around 2017, who was recent with Tencent and Microsoft, filling in as a product designer with a degree in computer vision from the University of Chinese Academy of Sciences. The Qtum project without a doubt has a first-class portion backing the venture with full help, including high-profile names like Bitcoin.com's Roger Ver and Jeremy Gardner, an early crypto financial backer turned skincare proficient, fellow benefactor of Augur and Ire and Blockchain Capital. Qtum roots and expansion. Throughout some undefined time frame, the administration at Qtum understood the constraint of BTC and ETH blockchains and chose to modify making the Qtum token more strong and interoperable in light of a legitimate concern for all clients. Tending to the center issues of administration and cost-related viewpoints concerning evidence of work system and trouble of interfacing brilliant agreements with genuine applications, Qtum has been a significant supporter of the improvement of disentangling two remarkable innovations. Account Abstraction Layer, AL, and Decentralized Governance Protocol, DGP. Rising up out of Bitcoin with a brilliant layer, the account abstraction layer incorporates the UTXO account layer roused by Ethereum. It permits clients to construct applications and host them on virtual machines, including the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, and the x86 Virtual Machine. It additionally upholds the i686 guidance set and a few programming dialects like C, C++, Rust, and Python, making it extremely simple to adjust existing applications and gather for Qtum. One more benefit with decentralized governance protocol is that one can change the center boundaries of the organization to foster savvy contracts like block size and gas expenses, and this doesn't need a hard fork, saving a ton of exertion and time. The whole local area of miners, stakers, designers, and Qtum holders inside the whole biological system are a fundamental piece of blockchain administration, partaking through casting a ballot, adding to self-administration, redesigns, and cycle. Qtum price forecast. Market sentiment. Going by the past value pattern and specialized investigation, Qtum cost has stamped huge development after some time, which could be the essential justification for its ubiquity. The ongoing cost of Qtum remains at $7.22, with a market capitalization of $715,678,389.17. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Qtum remains at $178,493,092.94, with a circling supply of 99,057,395 Qtum. The Qtum cost expectations made in view of past information and specialists determining the future cost of Qtum coins in the crypto market on different digital currency trades are summarized beneath. Qtum United States dollar has a brilliant future in front of it in 2022. With progressing improvements occurring inside the Qtum environment, we might see the cost of Qtum arrive at new levels. It might outperform its ongoing path at about $99.87 this year, assuming financial backers have concluded that Qtum is a productive interest in 2022, alongside standard cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In view of our Qtum cost figure, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost expectation for 2027 is $30.145. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 434.39%. As per our Qtum cost forecast 2022 and specialized examination, the cost of Qtum crypto could hit $10.08, and throughout the following 5 years, it could cross the $13.94 cost mark, which will make it a beneficial venture. According to our Qtum conjecture, the coin is anticipated to cross $10.2424 this year. After the following 5 years, Qtum's cost may be wandering around the $58.8284 mark in light of our future estimate information. Qtum tokens have been showing moderate energy after the Qtum crash in May. The future cost of Qtum is anticipated at $8.977901614 following a year, as per our Qtum cost forecast. The cost of Qtum will keep on being valued by financial backers, with a strong expansion in digital currency-based cost, showing a capability of $8.47266 over this year. Qtum United States dollar expectations. At the beginning of December 2022, the Qtum cost will be around $14.75. A maximum cost of $15.49, a base cost of $11.80 for December 2022. The typical Qtum cost for December 2022 is $13.65. In view of our Qtum estimate, the cost may be around $14.75 toward the finish of December 2022. It appears to be the eventual fate of Qtum cost is ill-fated,